Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm showing you how to make this facial wound using a knitting needle. Pretty much you can use anything sharp, and don't really use something sharp though, if that makes any sense. Well, if you want to find out how I did this, then just continue watching.
Okay, we're going to start off by applying some liquid latex and some toilet paper directly to our face. I'm using this more as a base for this look at this point. You're going to see me put in lots of layers of liquid latex and toilet paper. I'm just kind of setting it up for everything that I'm about ready to do to my face. So it is just a process of just layering that toilet paper and that liquid latex and getting kind of the right texture and everything for how I want this look, because I want it to look really aggravated and painful. So I just have to keep kind of playing with it. Then I go in and I'm using a aluminum knitting needle. Now I suggest an aluminum knitting needle if you're going to do something similar to this, because you can get the liquid latex off and actually use the knitting needle again. So I'm just using layers of toilet paper and liquid latex to hold that into place. And now I'm going through and placing the liquid latex right on the edges, because I want everything to kind of hold in place. Because you don't want this to fall off. No, you don't. It would ruin the whole thing. I am going to kind of put enough toilet paper on to cover the blue color of the knitting needle, because I don't want that to show through, especially when I go and I put foundation and things over this. I want it to really look like it is underneath my skin. By the way, I do go through between each layer. It might not look like it here. And I use the hairdryer to dry it. You have to make sure that each layer is dry, or you're going to have problems later on. Then I go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation and I cover the entire area that is covered in toilet paper. Also a little bit around the face. Then I go in with my CC Beauty case and I use the black and the red to kind of create a burgundy, and I put that down to kind of give the area a very agitated look to it. Then I go in with the Athena palette and I'm using Power and Clever. This is a Bad Habit palette, by the way, and I'm going along the edges just to kind of make sure that area looks really agitated, irritated, and even a little bit infected, because I just want it to look festering and gross. Then I'm going to go in with the Mayron Coagulated Blood and I'm going to place that everywhere, and just kind of, especially at the entrance point and the exit point, and just kind of make it look gross and like the blood's kind of fallen everywhere. Well, that is the completed look. This one is much simpler than some of the other ones I've done. So yeah, you guys will have to let me know if you've given any of these looks a try or are planning to.
Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I cannot believe we are almost done with 13 days of Halloween. We have 2 more days. So with that, I just wanted to let you know it's going to be one more actual like full-on tutorial, and then it will be more of a kind of like tag video. I'm doing a collab with a bunch of ladies from the Fantastic Ladies group on Facebook, and I'm super excited about that. But this is what we're working with this gory wound. You guys will have to let me know what you think down below. Thank you guys again. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!